Looks like the snowstorm came early.
Destination is on the left.
I think I'm gonna leave the snowshoes behind, and I hope I won't regret my decision later on. I'm starting my hike here in the Trinta Valley, and I'm headed to a super nice renovated bivouac up in the mountains. I think it was first built in 1974 and it's been completely renovated in 2013. So it's now one of the nicest here in Slovenia. What a nice rocky path. I've got around 10 kilometers and 1500 vertical meters to the hut where I'm gonna spend the night. The weather's been super weird lately. At first it was raining all day, even up in the mountains. Then the very next day it snowed down to the valley. Well, tomorrow it's supposed to snow again, so I'm looking forward to that. Some deer footprints, and I think that's a fox. But I'm not sure about the fox, so let me know if I'm wrong. The amount of snow is quickly increasing as I go higher. Oh, what a nice little bridge. Just a thin layer of ice. There's no water underneath. Oh, need to take a bit of a break here to get some food in me. A quick power snack to keep me going. Much better. Look at these giant icicles. You wouldn't want that thing falling on your head. Oh, it's icy. It's around -5 degrees right now, and it's supposed to drop below -10 tonight, so it's gonna be a cold one. It's just the right temperature for wearing one layer of clothing. I'm neither hot nor cold. Well, as long as I'm moving, of course. It's getting deep. So beautiful and peaceful. What a lovely cottage. But that's not the one I am staying at. I have to go up there. Oh man, to my knee. Luckily the snow is all powder, because if it was wet then this would be a nightmare. Oh, look at that. I came up that valley and around here. I'm following a rabbit. Oh, right behind the neck. Ah. The clouds are already rolling in. It's supposed to start snowing early in the morning tomorrow, so it's gonna be a snowy way down. It's time to put on the crampons. It's pretty steep here. I'm gonna leave one pole here and also left one down there. That's gonna help me find the route tomorrow if the storm gets really bad. The snow is real deep here. Look at the chamois just plowing through that deep snow. It's always a good idea to remember some landmarks in case the visibility gets really low or your tracks wipe out. This might be the only thing that's gonna help you get off the mountain. Oh, finally, that's the bivouac. And there are a few more cottages here. No way it's locked. No f***ing way. And maybe the key is in here. Nope. Well, guess I have to go back down. I did not expect that at all. Better get down quickly because it's getting dark fast, and I think it's also starting to snow a bit. Oh. Oh. What's the point of a bivouac if it's locked? I really don't understand that. Looks like the snowstorm came early. Here's the first pole. Oh man, look at that. Woo! And here's the second pole. My tracks are already almost completely gone. That just shows how quickly can things turn around in the mountains. That's why it's important to always be prepared for anything. Okay, this looks like a nice shelter. It's been a long day and I'm really hungry, so I'm not going down with an empty belly. I've got gnocchi and some meat sauce. Okay, I think that's enough. Need a quick snack in the meantime because I'm really hungry. And some parmesan to top it off. Oh, that's amazing. The food was delicious, but now it's time to go back down. All of my GoPro batteries froze, but my phone is still going strong. With this snow falling, it's actually kind of romantic. Oh, I really wish I brought my sleeping pad, because then I could have just dug out a hole in the snow and slept there. Well, lesson learned. My headlamp is just about to die. But as always, I've got another one. Whenever I plan to spend the night in the mountains, I always bring 2 headlamps, a few extra batteries, and if I manage to burn all of that, still have a power bank and a charging cable. That scared me to death. How creepy. Back in civilization. Let's see if it still runs. Oh, just like new. Well, I just checked again and it says the bivouac should be open, so I don't know what's up with that because it's misleading information, so they should definitely update it. But hey, I still had a ton of fun. I hope you did too, and I'll see you next weekend.